How to log into your Bluehost account. To log into your Bluehost account, you will need to go to https://my.bluehost.com/cgi-bin/cplogin and click on the login button in. The top right corner of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and Bluehost will send you a reset link to your email address. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the Login button. You will then be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. From here, you can manage your website, email, and other Bluehost services. Here are the steps on how to log into your Bluehost account. 1. Go to the above-mentioned Bluehost subpage. 2. Click on the Login button in the top right corner of the page. 3. Enter your username and password. 4. Click on the Login button. Plan B. Use your Google account to log into your Bluehost control panel. If you are still having trouble logging in, you can contact Bluehost support for help. Here are some tips for logging into your Bluehost account securely. * Use a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. * Do not use the same password for multiple websites or services. * Enable two-factor authentication for your Bluehost account. This will add an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. * Keep your Bluehost software up to date. Bluehost regularly releases security updates for its software. Installing these updates will help to protect your account from known security vulnerabilities.